Hate that sound. I'm getting my Breville espresso machine, the Bambino or the Bambino Plus, and the Breville Smart Grinder, Pro Grinder, something like that. That one for sure. Hopefully they have it at Best Buy and the box isn't tampered with, because we don't like getting boxes that are tampered with. This is in the middle of my work day during our lunch. We're gonna go get it because later he's gonna be busy, and I've been wanting it and I've been looking for like a week now. We're almost at Best Buy. We left Best Buy. Packaging was a little strange. Looked like maybe there was something missing in the box. We're gonna go to Target, see if we can find it and buy it before 30 minutes because our lunch is almost over. And now we're going further. They didn't have it. They didn't even have the grinder. They had the regular Bambino, and I think I'm leaning towards the Plus now. So we are going to Kohl's to see if they have anything there. And then if not, if we have time, maybe Best Buy just for the grinder, but we'll see. Okay, Kohl's didn't have anything. That's it for right now. For lunchtime, we couldn't get it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go home and boil myself 2 eggs. I need to be back already. And I have beans that are boiling right now. And I forgot to add salt. I needed to get back to my beans. The beans are now soft. It's a Dollar Tree masher. I've had it for a while, so it's not the greatest. Blending's a little bit quicker, but it's more dishes and more chances of splashing. I'm gonna put these spoons down here. Hopefully it'll soften the splatter. That did not work. Okay. I cleaned it real quick. Then we're gonna put some oil and burn an onion slice or two in there and cover the lid because it's gonna get stinky. The onion has to burn. Oh, yummy. Wasn't as bad as I thought. And now we'll just let it simmer. Mixing sometimes. Maybe later when I make my tostadas, I'll heat it up again. Now, I'm gonna set it aside. So I'm gonna make tostadas with the beans that I made. And so I'm just gonna make a quick little salsa. I have a tomato and a half and 1 serrano and just a little bit of water, just because I'm gonna steam it in the microwave. It came out, all of it. I have some raw onion. I'll do it with all the juice. And then just salt and pepper. It is 8:10 and they close at 9, right?
They got 9, yeah.
Okay, so we gotta hurry.
You're good, right?
Okay, so we got both of them, and there was a little issue with this one. The little cups, I don't know what they're called. Well, the little cups in here, they didn't have all of them. They had like one in this top layer of when you open it. We ended up going in, and there was this box in the styrofoam, and in here they have all the other trays. We weren't sure if we were gonna get it, because seems like maybe someone had returned it, but they say that in Crate and Barrel, you can't return them. You have to go through Breville. That's what the lady said, but we ended up finding these things in the picture. So we have them here. Let me unbox this one, and then this one, and I have to read up on it. And I have no energy, but we're gonna do it today, because I'm gonna make my coffee tomorrow morning, so I have to do it today, and right now is 10:13.
9:12.
Oh yeah, I haven't fixed my watch. There's been a time change and I haven't changed my watch, but let's open it. Helper. I have a little helper here. Jeeves. So we got the razor, portafilter, the tamp. I hate that sound. Does anyone else hate the sound of styrofoam rubbing together or on cardboard? I hate that. It gives me goosebumps. Right. Shock myself. This is real tight. Excuse me, can you please help me here?
I'm not sure what's going on here, but you see all the dishes that I wash?
I wash those.
Telling the truth, babe, I had to wash all that stuff just so that you can.
Well,
you couldn't take it anymore, so I had to wash it for you.
My hands feel very dry. I've been washing dishes, and when you touch paper and cardboard, it feels horrible. But we're still gonna open this. Quick guide. Just gotta slide it out. Helper. A little brush. A little brushy brush. I think it's to help clear the grinds that get stuck. And then this is for the 2 different sized portafilters to have the portafilters just stay there while the grind falls into it. These. The 2 sizes. Where the beans get stored. There's a container if you want to do a bunch of grinding. Now, this for a lot of grinding, and it has a little lid. That's pretty cute. It fits perfectly here. It closes. Nice. The beauty itself is right here. It has a little cable, so swaggy its tail. So it's gonna have to be near my outlet. Look, it has a circle here. That's random.
So that you can just put your finger in here and pull it like this.
Ah, he says to put your finger in here so you can pull it. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash the little parts at least. and then read up on how to do all this. But we've cleared out the area. I don't think I can keep going here, but I can read guides for the night and call it a night, and tomorrow we'll make our first espresso drink, ice drink.
2 liters, 68 fluid ounces. Plug the machine in.
Nothing happened. What the heck? What is happening? Smells pretty cool. ChatGPT suggests 16 for the grind size, 2 shots, and now the grind time. My understanding of that is if you're only gonna do a certain amount of beans in here, then the grind time doesn't really matter. It's just like if the grind time is over the time that it would take for it to grind this, it should be fine. Okay, wish me luck. Wish me luck, it's off now. I just want to turn it on. Okay. 14 grams. Right? Now I'm doubting it.
Yes, I saw it.
Put this one in here dry. Okay, so 2 shots. We're starting with 16 because ChatGPT told me to. Oh, it's just the one. I don't know.
Pull it out because
You
it's probably
can?
pressing. It's probably pressing the button too much right now.
Okay, so it has the time paused. You can't even see on the camera. The time is paused there. Oh no, it went back now. So it's supposed to be straight, but it was just to make it not pressed.
But is
yet, huh?
it done?
It wasn't supposed to be pressed down yet.
Yeah. Press the button instead, I would say.
So this is. Some people use a toothpick. I'm gonna do that. Since I pressed it when I shouldn't have. It has to be even down. Right? It has to be straight. What do you think?
Can
I
I
know
just
you
say?
have opinions.
It's deeper on this side than on this side. Notice that when you were.
You're gonna be good enough, but not me.
No.
It's because it's already like slanted.
You're still going. I could see the imprint. It's deeper.
It's because it was already, I felt more pressure on this side.
Maybe you don't care?
Maybe I don't care.
You do need some sort of leveling thing though. Because it's supposed to be leveled, distributed evenly so that you can press it. Because if there's more over here and less in other places, like...
Yeah. Yeah, pues you're gonna break it. Yeah? Let me see. Mr.
How'd I do, boss?
Mr. Attention to Detail. Okay, I suppose it's pretty level. Okay. So now the machine's not even hot. Just any button
Yeah, I
to turn
think
on, I'm
so.
assuming.
Yeah. You gonna make a warm one or a cold one?
Never a warm one. Double, I think, is what it is. But I'm supposed to time it
Why?
for 36 seconds. I think, because it's supposed to be double what I put in. So I put 14.
Okay.
14 times 2?
28.
28?
I mean,
I'm good at math. Okay, well, I did 14 and you're supposed to put double whatever grams you put in of coffee. Normally it's 18 grams, but I got confused and put 14 from what I've seen. So we're gonna press the button and it's gonna be 28 seconds when we stop it. Which, how do we stop it? I think we press the button again, I'm assuming. Okay, let's do it. There. Hopefully it's well locked. No. Nope, it was really bad. At 20, it stopped. He says this is the one. He says, get all your ingredients ready. You're having a nice coffee. We'll find out.
You're gonna see.
So how many grams did you use?
16 grams.
So it has to be double that. Then it has to pull for it ever since you press the button.
But it's until it starts dripping. That's the
No,
line.
no, it's as soon as you press the button, the same time.
You haven't pressed a single shot, no.
It's supposed to drip like honey. 32? Close enough. Close enough.
Get your milk out.
We'll see. Okay, well let's try it. Smells like it's gonna be bitter, but it's probably just the coffee.
You gotta
We probably need fresh coffee. Yeah, it's really, really bitter. Maybe we need to add some salt. A little bit of salt. Coffee hack. Tiny bit of salt. Ooh, I don't want that much. Just a little bit, just a little bit. This is evaporated milk? No, the other one. Sweetened condensed milk. Put some in there. It's in the fridge though, so it was in the fridge. So this is my coffee. I think it was pretty good for now. It was at a grind 8. So next time we're gonna do grind number 6 and then we'll see. I also have a little it's like a little wall that it gets put on the portafilter so the grinds won't fall out and it'll be easier to kind of press everything in from there. And also a little screen. So I'm hoping the screen helps as well with the taste. And it'll also help the grinds not touch the top of the machine. But we'll see. For now, this is good enough, but I think we could tweak it a little bit better.